Zoe's 9th birthday. What she got in that fancy box of hers? Is it knotted?
I got it.
Keep going.
Yes.
What else is in there, Zoe? Remember I told you I made you a card? Why don't you read what it says?
That's a lot of candy.
I know.
And now I just have to ask
Hold it up, Zoe. What does it say? Let's see. You excited?